integrate the following functions with respect to x. We have the first one. The first one, we have the way. So that's what we have for the first one. So then apply the general formula. So which means the power plus 1, 9 over 9, and then plus the constant of integration. So final conclusion, we have x to the power 9. This is the first one. The second one, we have x to the power 5 over 3. Okay. So to use your integral sign, you now is choose which is f of x, and then plus 1 over whatever the summation of your power, use it to divide. Do the exponent for that place. So we have x to the power 8 over 3 over, because the denominator are fractions, so it's going to flip upside down, going to reciprocate itself. Now with 3 over 8 ratio. The third one, we have x to power minus 2 integral sign. We're going to have the variable plus 1, the power plus 1, minus 2 over 3 plus 1. So that will give us, if you do that, we're going to have 1 over 3. So we're going to have 1 over 3 plus c. This will equal to this. Whenever you have whenever you have a fraction at the denominator, okay, and you want to write it beside that functions, don't forget there's a 1 here. So this one will flip. That's 1 over 3 will flip upside down. See, okay. The fourth one that will be integral of cube root x squared dx. So that's what we have. So the first thing we're going to do in this case is for us to remove the radical. And if you do that, we're going to have 2 over 3 dx. And don't forget the integral sign. After that, you're going to apply your formula for general integration formula, which means x to the power 2 over 3 plus 1. Do that addition, it's going to give you 5 over 3. It's going to give you 5 over 3. Final notes, we're going to have x to the power 5 over 3 times 3 over 5. The constant of it. Don't forget what I said at the beginning, that when you have a fraction at the denominator, it's going to what? It's going to flip upside down. Okay, so that's that on this question. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. We have the question 2 and 3. So let's start with question 2. The first one, the integral sign, remove the radical. So this will be equal to 1 over x to the power 4. And this radical, if you remove it, that will be over g is equal to integral of, don't forget your dx. So we're having 1 over x to the power 2 dx. If you remove the radical, so it's going to be exponent over g. Okay, so that's what we have now. Then we are going to remove this 1 over, where we now have x to the power minus dx. Then apply the formula, and that will be equal to minus 2 plus 1. That's minus 1, but minus 1 plus the arbitrary constants. So the next thing to do now is just to do the algebra. Then that will be 2 x to the power minus 1. So and then this one minus 8. The final conclusion, so we're going to have minus 1 over what? Move this minus 1 in the question, the A part. The B part, we have reduce your integral sign. Then let's remove the radical. That'll be x to the power 2. So whatever you have, cite over denominator of that fraction. Okay, and that will be equal to the power plus 1, and that will give us 7 2 over 5 plus 1. That's 7 over 5. That's 7 over 5 plus c. So that will be equal to x to the power 7 over 5. Then this denominator reciprocate that 5 over 7. That's finished that. Okay, the last one, you can also try that on your own. Try that. That will be this one. Try that on your own. So let's go to the next question. For question 3, and one of them is this. That's 1 over x squared plus 4. They're going to correspond these to the standard form for the one that's similar, that look exactly the same to the question, and that's these formats: squared plus x squared. So that's the format. So apply that. So this will be equal to arctan. Okay, the function is x, take one of that, and then the constant, the a, must be a multiple for the same as 2 squared. So that will be take one of the multiple. So we close the brackets, and then plus the constant of integration. So that's that on that. The next one also looks similar to the, it looks exactly the same to the standard form, and that will be equal to 12 1 over x squared dx. The same thing also, that will be equal to arctan. Pick one of the of the function of the variable, okay, and then over a, 1 is the same as 1 square. So you take one of that, and then the plus the constant of our integration. So if you like, you can say 1 over 1. So it doesn't change anything. So that will be equal to what? The third one, 1 over x squared plus 1 over 3x. So this is what we have. So we're going to work it out to look exactly the same form to the standard form. Now, if we like, we can write this one as 1 over, take it to come first, then plus x squared, just to conform to the standard form. So in that case now, we're going to, that will be equal to at time the variable x, you take one of that, and then the a, each one of that also. Forget I told you the a must be a multiple we have here, plus c. So the next thing for us to do is for us to do the algebra. Okay, if you do the algebra, don't forget also, we are going to also divide by the constants. The constant, that's 1 over a, and my a is what? 1 over 3, okay? And that will give me 3 at time 3x. Plus that's simple as A, B, C. But the thing is that it's not just simple, okay? You need to be conversant with the standard form, the equation standard form. You need to practice. The more you practice, the better you become. Nothing happens by chance, okay? Preparation meets with opportunity. It's luck. It's called luck. The more you practice, the better you become. The more you practice. Nobody is bring not just a genius, maybe you are coming when you are born, but you are a genius. No, learn it here, okay? And everybody can become genius. You don't need parents to be mathematicians before you become a mathematician, before you become a math guru, okay? Keep practicing. The more you practice, the better you become. Drop your comment at the comment section. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like, share the links across your different platforms.